Hello viewers, welcome to Products Gallery Smart Shopping and Better Living. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Are you looking for 5 best kitchen items that everyone loves on Amazon with some great features? You have come to the right place. Today I will show you awesome kitchen items. Don't wear a price is very cheapest. Please watch the video and get some idea about these 5 kitchen items. Let's see here. Please subscribe to our channel. Ultimate 7-blade vegetable slicer by Spiralizer. Do you remember the carrot and raisin salad that your mom fixes for Christmas? Well, now be ready to shake a little that recipe with this item that quickly brings you complete sliced and ready to eat vegetables with its 7 interchangeable stainless steel blades. Multi-use programmable pressure cooker by Instant Pot. Don't waste time in the kitchen and play more with your kids thanks to this programmable pressure cooker that makes the work for you. It replaces 7 common kitchen appliances including pressure cooker, yogurt maker and rice cooker. Nutri Ninja Pro Personal Blender by Ninja. Get the perfect salsa that your taco desperately needs with this blender that immediately breaks down ingredients with its 900 watts engine power. It has a manual pulse to easily crush ice, seeds, skins, stems and frozen ingredients. Pre-seasoned skillet by Lodge. Your cacioppa tastes even better if you use this resistant skillet with superior heat retention. It includes a sturdy handle with a hole to hang it is not in use. Belgian waffle maker by Presto. How about cooking delicious churro waffles for breakfast? Definitely, you'll prepare them much faster and simpler with this extra thick 7-inch diameter grid with 4 easy-to-cut sections.